Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a discount code on Gumroad. So actually guys, as first you will need to go to the gumroad.com website on your browser and then just log in with your account. And then you will need to go and click on the dashboard button that's located at the top right corner. And now you will need to go with the products option. It's the second option on the left hand menu, and then just click the product you want to add a discount to, then just edit it. And to do that you will need just to go hover on its name and click it just like so. And now you will need to set up your discount. So you will need to start with the description, so you can add that we will have a discount on our digital products, okay? And then save and continue and go to the checkout right here, okay? So on discount you will need to go with new discount and then just name it and give a discount a code or provide it just on the blank, okay? So it's the code that the buyers will use, and also the products right here. So for example, I will go with digital products, or for all products it's up to you, okay? So you can choose. And then you will need to go with the percentage right here. So for example, we'll go with 5%, or you can choose the fixed amount, so you can go with $1, $2 to $5. So it's up to you. You can set even $100 as I told you, and then go with the settings right here. So these are up to you. You can go with limit quantity and set a quantity right here, limit validity period just right here, set a minimum qualifying amount and set a minimum quantity, okay? And after finish you can go with add discounts right here and it will be applicable. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.